I must say, that thing looks sick. And when that one's towing that one, it looks awesome. I love that truck. Just got back from my trip to Missouri. Immediately, I had to back that thing out just because I wanted to hear it. And then I get this box. What a great box to get. It's gonna be the valve covers for this, so I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna put the gaskets, the new gaskets in there that I've got. And then I'm gonna take those valve covers off and slap these on. And then it's probably gonna look so good that I'm gonna have to get back in touch with BTR to go ahead and get me that red intake as well. Because they do look nice. I saw them on the C6 Vet that they have, and I think that that red, it'll just, you know, red on red interior, it just makes sense. And this intake has been great, by the way. Everyone was telling me that intake's gonna fail. It's gonna, you know, bust. On 19 pounds, it made almost 750 horsepower. Has never once given me a problem. So, say what you want. That throttle body intake, fuel rails, and I think that's what it came with, was like $400 on eBay. And that setup right there has definitely put some people in their place. So just imagine if I have some good proven products, which I mean, essentially this is proven at this point, but it'll be awesome wall art because I'll stick it on my wall somewhere if I can find a good place to put it. I'll take that off, put the new stuff on, and who knows, maybe I'll make 780 with a good intake that flows well, or weller, whatever you want to call it. So, all right, I'm going to take these out and take a peek at them and put the new gaskets in them. What's up, Burt? So, got the valve covers back. I think they're literally the same ones. I think they just finished the machining process. So, on my old valve covers, which I now have off, should I put these little baffles in? I see that they're, you know, for these. Also, they have them in the front and the back. I've only got 2, but I've got 8 bolts. So I don't know if 2 aren't in here, if they're supposed to be 4. But my other ones don't have those. So do I need them? Well, let me know. Okay, so got the old valve covers off. There they are. So, you know, you just want to go through and give your rockers just a little jiggle, make sure nothing's loose on both sides. All those seem to be all right on the passenger side. Let's go over here. Give these a nope, no play. All right, well, we're all good there. So now, I'm gonna stick these on. I need gloves. I ran out though. Gonna put the new ones on and, you know, torque them to spec. I have one side on, and boy does it look nice. But I need to go get some bigger Allen wrenches because I don't have one this big, so that I can put in the other side. I've got 2 plugs on that side and then one for the back, but I just wanted to go ahead and get that one on just to get it, see what it looked like. So I'm gonna run up to O'Reilly's and see if they have something big enough for this. If not, I guess I'll make a couple trips around town, who knows, but hopefully O'Reilly's does. And of course, this thing's battery was dead when I got back. I just don't want to keep jumping it off, so I really just need to take it up there and get a new one, but I'm just not going to do it yet, so who cares. I'm going to go get this Allen wrench, probably a T-handle if possible, and then get the other one on and call it a day. All right, so valve covers are on. They look great. They do look good. Great job, BTR. Now we just need the intake.